Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Good
Good
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. So, did you all practice for simple and complex sentences yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow,
Yes, ma'am.
that's wonderful. Now, you know what we are going to do today? Any idea what we are supposed to do
State,
today? What we will practice today?
statement and condition.
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am. Statement conditionals.
statements and conditionals, correct. So, do you have any idea about what are statements and conditionals? Okay. So let me tell you the goal of today's session is that by the end of this session, you will be able to understand what are conditional sentences. How to convert those simple statements into conditional sentences using the connectors if, unless, provided that, otherwise. You will write first and second conditional sentences correctly. You will also be able to explain the causes, the effects, the solutions using those conditions so that you can improve the grammatical range for your IELTS writing task too. And also, by the end of this session, you will be able to use conditions naturally in the opinion and discussion essays and avoiding any grammar mistakes in the conditional structure. Now, before starting, let me just tell you why conditionals are important. Why we are learning this? Because we have an exam of IELTS. Now, why it is important to learn about this part? Conditionals are really important for IELTS writing task too, because they actually improve your grammatical range and accuracy, which is one of the 4 band parameters. They help you express your results, consequences. They discuss about the possible situations also. You will be able to explain the solutions and problems. So, which makes your academic writing sounding natural when you write it. Okay. Now, let me just give you an example. Let me share my screen. Now, suppose if I write 2 statements. This. How are these statements looking? Very good morning, Jyoti. So, how are these statements? What do you think about these statements? Yes, please. Anyone? Yes, Johnson?
Separate two independent class.
Are 2 simple statements? These are correct, no
Yes,
doubt.
ma'am.
Do you feel any grammatical errors here?
No, ma'am.
No. Government should improve public transport, traffic congestion will decrease. These are 2 simple statements, the 2 different ideas. But suppose if I write this statement with conditionals, then how will it look? If I write it like this, how's it looking? Yes? Any suggestions?
Better than before.
Yes. The first 2 are really basic, but if you write your statements with it sounds more natural and shows a better grammar control. That means you really have that control over your grammatical range and accuracy. So why examiner like conditional is because they show that you can use complex sentence structures. You can connect your ideas logically. That's what you did. In this example, you connected your idea in a logical manner, right? You vary your grammar naturally. Using only simple sentences can limit down your score. Okay, so these are very useful for task 2 topics. When you have problem solutions, when you have advantage, disadvantage, opinion essay, these will definitely help you out. Okay, so before going deep down into conditionals, अगर किसी को कोई भी problem है, कोई query है, तो please let me know. We'll just sort it out and then we'll begin with the statements and conditions. Yeah, anyone? Those who are new today, Akriti, you have an exam on 6th of June. I can see some new names. Akriti, please just watch all the recorded classes you have missed out for the writing sessions. The speaking module is also completed. So please watch all those. Okay. Now let's talk about conditionals in detail. Your mic is not working. No problem, Akriti. You can just type over here. Very good morning, Ikra. I'm very well. How about you? Are you practicing these days for your speaking as well? Okay. Now suppose, as I said, that these are very useful for task 2, right? So definitely I'll be showing you that how these are useful for task 2. Now suppose if I'm giving you a very basic statements and I really want you to just convert it. How will you convert? We did the condition connector yesterday. If you all remember, those who were present in the yesterday's class, we did the condition. We did connectors
Yes.
to complex
Yes,
sentences.
Yes.
So how we connected these two statements? People exercise regularly, they stay healthy. How we
Ma'am,
made
if
the, how we made this?
if people exercise regularly,
Yes. Correct. Yes, please go ahead.
if
Yes, Anna.
people
Hmm.
if people exercise regularly, they will stay healthy.
Yes, exactly.
people should exercise regularly to stay healthy.
Yes. You need to make a condition sentence. You need to make a conditional sentence. Remember this. What about unless? Can you add unless to it?
People can stay healthy unless they do exercise regularly.
Not exercise regularly.
They will not stay healthy unless
Or-
people
Yes.
exercise.
Unless people exercise regularly, they will not stay healthy.
Stay
They
healthy.
will not stay healthy unless people exercise regularly.
Regularly.
Okay? Correct.
Ma'am,
इसमें हम since भी use कर सकते हैं since people exercise regularly.
Since is
They
used
stay
for
healthy.
reason. Since is used for reason.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jyoti. Yes, please.
मैम यहाँ पे हम लोग ने will क्यों यूज किया है लाइक मतलब पहले तो सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट में था ना
आप
तो
बताओ
like simple में
कंडीशन के लिए क्या करेंगे हम यूज?
मैम इफ और अनलेस तो हम लोग यूज करते हैं यदि के लिए यदि ऐसा करते हैं
अगर लोग एक्सरसाइज करेंगे रेगुलरली तभी तो वो हेल्दी रहेंगे. You have to look at your tense formation also. Okay. Now let me tell you in detail what are statements, what are conditionals. जब हम सिंपल स्टेटमेंट को एक कंडीशनल सेंटेंस बनाते हैं विद द वर्ड्स, कौन कौन से वर्ड्स? इफ, अनलेस, these are the most common used, provided that, as long as, otherwise. वो क्या हो जाते हैं? कंडीशनल सेंटेंस. सो वी आर एक्चुअली चेंजिंग अ सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. हमारा टास्क क्या है? हमारा टास्क ये है कि हम अपने सिंपल स्टेटमेंट्स को रिप्लेस करें with different type of sentence structure in the exam when we are writing the task 2. और हमें वो कैसे करना है, यूजिंग डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. अब स्टेटमेंट क्या होता है? स्टेटमेंट इज अ सिंपल सेंटेंस, राइट? स्टेटमेंट क्या है? एक सिंपल सेंटेंस है दैट टेल्स अस अबाउट अ फैक्ट. पीपल एक्सरसाइज. लेट मी राइट यू. Now, for example, if I say people exercise, it's a simple statement. It's
Yeah,
giving
ma'am.
you information. Students study hard. Government reduces taxes. So it's just giving you information. Now we talked about statement क्या होता है ना, what is conditional sentence? Conditional
Ma'am, this
sentence
third,
का मतलब होता है we are actually working
ma'am, third
on
one is
showing,
never going to happen.
we are actually working on condition plus a result. So conditional sentence में हमेशा एक condition होगी और एक क्या होगा, result होगा. It has two parts. Remember this. इसमें क्या होगा, टू पार्ट्स होंगे, कंडीशन भी होगी, रिजल्ट भी होगा. लुक एट द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. पीपल एक्सरसाइज रेगुलरली, दे स्टे हेल्दी. अगर लोग एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, दैट्स अ कंडीशन. उसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा, दे विल स्टे हेल्दी. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर व्हेन यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ कंडीशनल सेंटेंस, आपको क्या फोकस करना है. द फर्स्ट क्लॉज, द कंडीशन क्लॉज will be if or unless. The result will be what happens. Now look at these three simple sentences. If people exercise. अगर अब हम इन्हीं तीन sentences को conditionals में convert करें, our sentence was people exercise. Now if I say if people exercise, what will be the result? क्या होगा इसका result? We have
They
to
will
They will
add
stay
the
healthy.
healthy.
Yes, they stay healthy. They will stay healthy. Now, suppose if the second one is students study hard, I'm using another conditional.
If students study
Unless,
hard, they
no, I'm
will
using
achieve
different one.
good grades.
Unless students study, they will fail.
They will not score good
They will
marks.
not
Yeah, they will, or
get a
either they
good
will
grade.
fail. They will not
Yes.
score good marks. They will not score higher bands. Government reduces taxes. If government reduces taxes, what will happen?
I will resign.
Businesses will grow. Yes. So I'm adding a result to it. You are converting a simple statement to the conditional one. Conditional sentence includes condition plus a result. Condition starts with the connector, and then you have to show what will be the result of it. Now, how to change the statements to conditional? There are some rules. You need to remember those rules while converting the statement. Pattern
Ma'am,
number one.
here we can only use if and unless only, unless clause.
Yes, definitely.
In
You can
present
use
simple, then
provided
future.
that also. You can use as long as also. You can use otherwise also. But the most common is if and unless.
If and unless. Okay.
Yes. Okay. If and
Okay.
unless. Now, what is the pattern number one to do it? How you can change it? Any idea? What are
If
the
present
types
simple
of?
and future.
No. What are the types of conditionals? Anyone?
Zero
Now you know
condition.
the pattern. You know the pattern. Statement 1 plus statement 2. You add a condition word to it. That is the pattern, right? Do I need to write the pattern again? You know the structure. I hope this structure is clear. If plus condition and then result. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's talk in detail about the types of conditionals. ये conditionals आपको use कैसे करने हैं? The first is zero conditional. Did you heard about it?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Zero
Yes, ma'am.
conditionals
Both are
are the
present.
facts. Remember this word when I say facts. Facts means which are general truth. Fact क्या होता है? General truth.
Right.
Yes. Scientifically proven.
Yes. So we
And
can
it's
also
universal
say
fact, ma'am.
scientific facts. We can also say
Routines.
habits, routines, and things that are always true.
Some kind of universal fact.
Yes. So zero conditionals is used to talk about general truths, scientific facts, habits, things that are always true. It means whenever this happens, this always happens. Remember this. So what is the structure? इसका structure क्या रहता है? Structure will be if plus present and then the result will also be in present. Okay? अगर हम present में लिख रहे हैं तो next sentence will also be in present. Now for example, if people eat too much junk food, what will happen?
They gain weight, excessive weight.
Yes, they gain excessive
Obesity
weight,
increase.
right? Now suppose if I'm writing about present simple sentence, so it will be always present simple, right? Clear? Present tense में you should remember always this formula. ठीक है, जो base verb वहां है वही base verb वहां रहेगा. Now let me give you some scientific example. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, what will happen?
It will boil.
Now look at the statement also. Is this present simple?
Yes.
If you heat.
Yes, ma'am.
So not it will boil, it
boils.
boils.
It boils.
Yes. Okay. The same sentence, if people eat too much sugar. This is the general truth. If people eat too much sugar, what will happen?
They may
Weight.
suffer a lot. They suffer many.
They gain weight. Right?
Yes.
So this is what? We talked about a scientific fact. We talked about a general truth. Obviously, अगर आप ज़्यादा sugar लोगे, you will have more weight. Right? Now, if a child, he sleeps late. If children sleep late, what will happen? Yes.
They feel tired.
Lazy or tired.
Mm-hmm.
They
They
feel
will not
lazy.
become lazy in the morning.
Look at the sentence also. What you will add?
If
Ma'am, if
children
children
sleep late, they wake up late.
Mm-hmm.
They will wake up late.
Tired, ma'am. They feel tired.
We will write will or not.
Not.
No, no, no.
No.
Hmm?
No, we will not
No.
use will.
They feel tired the next day.
Tired.
Right? Present simple, present simple. They feel tired. Right?
Ma'am, how can we use if children sleep late? How can we use for waking up late?
Mm-hmm. Now create a sentence.
If children sleep late,
Hmm.
they
Yes.
wake up
Late.
very.
Present
wake up
simple
late.
verb उधर है. Present simple verb
जी,
ही
जी.
आपको यहाँ पर लगाना है. Okay.
जी.
Now let's look at some examples from our task 2. If government print excessive money, inflation rises. So present simple is here, present simple is there. Because these are the type of sentences you have to use in your writing task 2. If individuals consume junk food regularly, what will happen? Add another idea. Yes, please. I gave one idea, you have to add another. क्या होगा अगर इंडिविजुअल ज्यादा जंक फूड खाएंगे रेगुलरली?
Get obesity.
And they get
Obesity बढ़ेगा मैम. Obesity.
हाँ, so how will you speak?
They get obesity.
Yes.
They get obese.
and they gain fat.
They get suffer from a various disease.
Yes.
Ma'am, they get
They get
unhealthy.
chronic
Yes.
disorders.
So they may become obese. They may suffer from obesity. आप कुछ भी कह सकते हो, right? Or their health deteriorates.
And they may face health issues problems.
Yes. You have to remember that if you are using the present simple, the other sentence, the result will be in the present simple only. Now, if students, they practice regularly, what will happen? If you people are practicing every day, what will happen? What will
They
the
score
result?
good marks.
They gain confidence.
And they
Yes,
become proud.
exactly. Look at the sentence, the tenses, and then use it in the same way. They improve their skills, they perform better in exam. That's it. Clear? Now let's talk about, this was zero conditional. Remember this. This was zero conditional. Now the second one is first conditional. Now what is first conditional? Any idea? First
Ma'am,
conditional क्या होता है? This is for future possibility.
Yeah.
This conditional is used for future possibility. First conditional is used to talk about a real possibility in the future. हम कब इसे यूज करते हैं? जब हमें कोई real possibility लगती है future में, something that is likely to happen, या फिर ऐसा future result तो depend करता है किसी condition पे. Like if this happens in the future, that will happen. अगर ये होगा future में, तो वो होगा future. Right? Remember this. A future result that depends on a condition. अब यहाँ के लिए एक structure है again. जैसे zero conditional के लिए हमने एक structure use किया था. The same way हम यहाँ पर भी क्या करेंगे? एक structure use करेंगे. Now here, present simple plus will be used here because we are talking about future possibility. If plus present simple, then result will be the will because यहाँ पे future की बात हो रही है. Now if I say if government reduces taxes, अगर government reduce करेगी taxes को, businesses will grow. This is a future possibility कि अगर टैक्स रिड्यूस हुए तो क्या होगा? बिजनेसेस ग्रो होंगे. रिमेंबर वी यूज प्रेजेंट टेंस आफ्टर इफ. वी विल यूज विल इन द रिजल्ट क्लॉज. आपको कभी भी विल इफ वाले क्लॉज में यूज नहीं करना. Okay. Now suppose if I say if it rains, so that's a future possibility कि अगर बारिश हुई,
So productivity will
I will
increase.
not go out.
yes, I will stay at home. I will not go out. We will stay at home. Right?
Yes.
Now, if you study hard for IELTS, अगर आप पढ़ोगे अच्छा, तो क्या होगा? You will pass
You
the
will
exam.
get desired score.
Right? So these are real future possibilities. These are not based on the facts. जब हम fact की बात करेंगे तब हम zero conditionals use करेंगे. जब हम future possibility की बात करेंगे तब हम क्या करेंगे? First conditionals का use करेंगे. Right? Now suppose if I'm giving you another statement. If authorities, they invest in renewable energy. It's writing task 2 question. क्या होगा? What will happen? You
Trees
have
will
to
become
look at
more
this.
greener.
Yes.
Trees will become more greener.
Yes. You have to use first conditional because this is the first conditional structure. This is a sentence. Pollution will decrease. Agar authorities, environmental pollution will decline. Always think about the result, the second idea. Okay. Now, if individuals, they adopt healthier lifestyle, what will happen?
They
क्या
will
होगा?
stay more health. They will
They will,
stay
healthy.
healthy.
yes, they will even improve their overall health.
They will remain
More
fit.
active.
Yes. So ये जो structure है क्या show कर रहा है? It shows the clear cause and effect. So that's what examiner loves, right? This structure, this shows the cause and effect, right? कि cause क्या है और उसका effect क्या है, right? So remember, zero conditional और first conditional के बीच का difference क्या है कि zero conditional is always facts, always true. First conditional is always a future possibility. So you can see the difference. Zero, truth. First, future situation.
చిన్న
Future
ఇప్పుడే
sir.
పట్టాలా వాట్సాప్ కదా
Who is speaking?
मैम तो जीरो कंडीशन वाले में पास्ट और फ्यूचर की कंडीशंस भी आ सकती है या ओनली प्रेजेंट की होगी?
पास्ट टेन कैसे होगा? जब हम फैक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं तो वो हो सकता
ओके मैम,
है,
ओके
राइट?
मैम।
नाउ फर्स्ट कंडीशनल्स का यूज आपको अपने राइटिंग टास्क में कब करना है? व्हाइल गिविंग द सॉल्यूशंस, when you are predicting any results, when you are explaining about consequences, तो आप क्या यूज करोगे? फर्स्ट कंडीशनल. यू आर राइटिंग अबाउट गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज, जब भी आ जाए you can write it. If government implements strict laws, क्या होगा? क्या होगा अगर गवर्नमेंट इंप्लीमेंट करेगी strict laws? What will happen? बताओ.
Citizens will become more responsible.
Yes. Is this Noor?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Why have you been missing the classes? It's been long back.
Ma'am.
I saw your name. It's been 10
Yes, ma'am.
days क्या back?
Sometimes, I don't think, but sometimes I'm joining and sometimes I'm not able to.
Sometimes you are on mute so that I don't remember. I don't know
Yeah,
if you are in the
that
session.
is also there. No, actually, my baby, she shouts, so I don't want to open.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so if government implements strict laws, people will follow the rule more
ఎకనామీ విల్
carefully.
గ్రో
Yes,
Crime
public
rates will
safety will
decrease.
improve,
విల్ గ్రో
road accidents will decrease, right?
Crime rates
Environmental
will
pollution will reduce, crime rates will
decrease.
decrease. Yes, there are so many. So you need to see that what we are talking about the government policies. Got it? So it's clear. Now, if you're writing these statements, if you're thinking like that, you're already band 7. So please work on writing the one idea and the second idea as well. Now let's come to the third type of conditional, which is second conditional. Any idea what are second conditional?
maybe past tense.
No.
I'm
Yes,
used for
Akash.
unreal.
Yes,
I'm used for
Akash.
unreal. I'm used for unreal and imaginary situations, ma'am. In the
Yes.
past or maybe future.
Hypothetical. Yes, exactly. Correct. Good. So the second conditional is used to talk about imaginary situations. आपको imaginary situations के बारे में बात करना हो तो आप क्या यूज करोगे? Second conditional. Unreal. अनलाइकली सिचुएशंस के बारे में, हाइपोथेटिकल प्रेजेंट पास्ट, ड्रीम वर्ल्ड वाले आइडियाज होते हैं ना जो, वो. इफ दिस वर ट्रू बट इट इज नॉट ट्रू, दिस वुड हैपन, राइट? तो यहां पर आपका जो वर्ड यूज होता है दैट विल बी वर्ड, और हम यहाँ पे पास्ट सिंपल यूज करते हैं. दोज हु वर मिसिंग एक्चुअली कि पास्ट सिंपल हम कब यूज करेंगे, तो यहां पर आप पास्ट सिंपल यूज करो. इफ plus past simple, then would, and then you will use the base verb. आपको past tense if के साथ यूज करना है और would result में. That means condition के साथ if आएगा, result के साथ would आएगा. No will. Now जब भी आप statement, it depends on your statement कि you are talking about what. अगर आप सेकेंड कंडीशनल वाली स्टेटमेंट्स पे हो, यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट अ इमेजिनरी सिचुएशन, देन ओनली यू हैव टू यूज सेकेंड कंडीशनल. अगर आप कोई भी पॉसिबिलिटी, फ्यूचर पॉसिबिलिटी के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, तब आप फर्स्ट कंडीशनल यूज करोगे. अगर आप कोई जनरल फैक्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, तब आप जीरो कंडीशनल का यूज करोगे. So you should remember it depends on the type of statement. Now suppose if I say if I won lottery, क्या होगा? If I won the lottery, what will happen? Now what you have to do, you have to use this.
Would.
I
Yes.
would become
I
rich.
would get the
I
money.
would become rich man.
Yes.
I would
Now let me have the ideas what you will do if you will won the lottery. I
I
would
would travel
travel
the world,
around
man.
the world. Yeah,
Yeah.
I would even travel around the world. What about others? But I have not won. So this is what? This is an imaginary situation, right? It's unreal or an unlikely situation.
I would open a school for needy children.
Wow, that's a great idea.
Impressive.
I will give more free live sessions,
Yes.
right?
Yes, yes.
So you have to start thinking about this. Okay. Now suppose if she studied harder, what will happen? What will be the result? If
She
she
would
studied
she will
harder,
become-
that
she would
means
become top.
currently she doesn't study enough,
Right.
right? So she would get better marks,
Yes.
Yes.
right?
Pass. Would.
Any other idea? You can add a different one. If she studied harder,
She would get higher grades.
yes, she would get higher grades. She would pass the exam easily. Her parents would feel proud. She would achieve her goals. She would improve her knowledge. Always think about the second clause, the second idea, right? Now, if I were rich, just an imagination. If I were rich, क्या होगा? Again.
I would have Lamborghini.
Oh, wow.
If I were rich, I would donate the charity.
Oh, wow, that's good.
If I were rich, I would invest in market.
Yes, Kushal?
If I were rich, I would invest in markets or stocks.
Sorry, I missed out. Yes, please.
If I were rich, I would invest on markets, on stocks.
Yes. So you have to talk about a imaginary situation, just imagination, right? Now, suppose if I say,
If I were rich, I would not prepare for IELTS.
oh, is it? You will travel yourself, huh? And you would have traveling the different countries, no visas required, right? Okay. Now let's look at some IELTS example. If governments invested more in public education, then what will happen?
The literacy rate would reduce.
Sorry?
Yes.
The literacy rate would
Literacy rates would improve.
Would improve.
Yes. Would improve. Right? And more students would receive quality education.
The
Just
economy
think
will
about.
grow.
Yes. Society would become more developed. Right?
Hmm.
Unemployment rates would decrease.
Would decrease.
Community will change.
Yes. Families or the people would get better opportunities. Just think beyond the ideas, what you can add.
Then poverty would decrease.
Hmm. Now, if authorities, they impose strict traffic laws.
Accident would decrease.
Yes, sorry.
number of accidents would decrease.
Yes, or you can say road accidents would decrease,
Road accidents.
right?
People will follow the rules.
Not will, people would.
Yes, sir.
है ना?
People would follow the
Or we can
rules.
say people would drive more carefully.
Hmm.
Traffic
Yeah.
violation would reduce.
Traffic jam would reduce.
Huh.
More
That is,
responsible.
yes. Cities would become safer for pedestrians.
Hmm.
Now, if individuals reduce their carbon footprints, what will happen?
They would save the environment.
They,
Would save the
yes,
environment.
not will, it will be would.
Mhm.
What about others? Yes. What is the meaning of carbon footprint? I guess some people know, some do not. Yes. Anyone who can explain what is carbon footprint?
Ma'am, vehicles, carbon
Emissions,
emissions,
ma'am. Vehicles.
Yeah, the basic, actually, the amount of carbon dioxide
Yeah.
by the people, the activities through daily.
Individual activities. Yes.
Yes. We everyday drive cars, we everyday use electricity, we waste energy. So the amount of carbon dioxide by those things, by those daily actions, the pollution we create in our daily life is called a carbon footprint. So how can we reduce this? So if individuals reduce their carbon footprint, what will happen?
Global warming slows.
Pollution would decrease.
Yes.
Decrease, ma'am.
Environment
Carpooling would increase.
eco-friendly.
Global warming
Air
slows.
quality would improve.
Yes, exactly. So this shows your advanced grammar and your analytical thinking. Yes, please. Yes.
People would prefer carpooling.
Global warming would slow down.
Global warming.
Would slow down.
Yes. Now remember this. These are the rules which you need to follow. In formal English, right? We have to always show our advanced grammar plus our analytical thinking. Now, suppose if I say, if I were the Prime Minister, I would change the education policy.
I would change the strict law.
Yes. So, first conditional, let me just repeat it again. First conditional, it is used for real thought.
Real habits, truth.
Zero condition.
Yes, ma'am.
Always remember the difference. First conditional means the real future possibility. Zero conditional means the truth, the
Based
facts.
on fact, ma'am.
Second conditional means you're talking about the imaginary or the unlikely situations. So second conditional is always used for the hypothetical idea, right? Clear? Let's practice
Yes,
some more. You need to connect the ideas. Now you have to do this. Try this. Children play outdoor games, they stay healthy.
If children play outdoor games,
If
they
children
stay
play outdoor games, they would stay healthy.
Mhm.
If children play outdoor games,
Which
they become
tense is
robust.
used here? Which tense is used here?
Simple.
If
Simple.
Simple.
Present simple.
Yes. So we will be answering in. And which
Zero
Present
conditional
conditional.
simple
are
only.
you using here? Which conditional are you
Zero
using
conditional.
here?
Zero condition.
Zero
first,
conditional, ma'am.
first,
Zero conditional.
first
Zero
conditional.
Not first, it's zero.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Let me give you more. Yes. If I had more free time.
Ma'am,
Second conditional.
Mhm.
Second conditional, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
So what will be the answer to this? Yes, please.
I would go for movie.
Yes, I would go for
I
movie.
would study hard.
I
I
would
would
go
explore the
outdoor
nature.
pursuits.
Yes, definitely.
I would explore the
spend more
nature.
time for studies.
Yes.
I would read books.
I would learn a new skill. Now
Ma'am,
suppose if I'm
spend it in my garden.
yes. Now suppose if I say you people, if students practice speaking daily, then what will happen?
Zero conditional, ma'am.
Communication would increase.
Get them back.
Now which
They
conditional you
they
are
become
going to use it?
So communication.
First conditional,
This
ma'am.
is yes, ma'am. Zero condition.
Exactly. It will be first
First
condition.
condition.
Future possibility. If students
Yeah.
practice speaking daily,
Ma'am, daily means it is routine
They will
only.
improve, ma'am.
Definition.
They will improve, ma'am. They will improve.
Definitely. Correct.
They will improve their English fluency.
So if students they practice speaking daily, they will
will
become more fluent. Right? Definitely you all will be. Right? Now
Yes.
if government
Yes, ma'am.
banned plastic bags, which tense is used here? Which type of conditional you will use?
Second.
Ma'am, this is the second conditional, past tense.
Second conditional is
First
used for imaginary situations,
Imaginary
hypothetical, right? Unlikely, unreal situations. So we will use
Yes.
would here. I can say that government. Okay, give me. Yes, what will happen?
Environment would
Environment.
improve.
Environment
Yes,
contamination would
exactly.
decrease.
Definitely.
Environment would eco-friendly.
Yes, exactly. The same way you can use unless also. If and unless. Now connect these two statements. Parents monitor, control, they perform better academically.
If parents monitor control, they
Unless
perform better.
parents monitor children, they will not.
So present simple and the present simple. Okay. You have to remember, you have to look at your structure. Which structure are you using?
Unless
Ma'am, in
parents
this
monitor
sentence,
children, they will not perform better academically.
Exactly. You have to remember sometimes tenses also they help you because you need not to think what type of conditional it is. You know the tenses, you know the structure. कि zero conditional में we have used with tense, then second conditional में we have used the past one, first में हमने क्या use करा, then zero में हमने क्या use करा. There are 3 type of condition. You need to be pro now in this. If you practice conditionals daily, your grammar score will definitely improve. And if your grammar improves, your overall band score will increase. Right? And now suppose if you are actually working on your overall band score, your dream country, it will become closer to you. You need to stay consistent. Band 8 is not that far. It's really not that far. But you need to work. I'm sharing some of the topics. You need to write at least 10 statements for that. I really want you to practice for these 4 topics. Environment, education, technology, health. Write at least 10 for each. Okay. Tomorrow there will be no class as I have some work, so I will be not coming tomorrow. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you have a complete entire weekend. Write 10 statements, convert it into the conditional. Like you have to do a conditional transformation. Simple se conditional mein convert karo unhe. And also you can try, instead of trying with the if, you can try with unless, as long as. Like suppose if I say government must act quickly, otherwise climate change will worsen, right? So you have to try this. As I say, always play with the sentences. Try to always create a different ideas, not the same one. एक sentence लिखो, उसमें एक और idea add करो. Change the idea, add another idea to it. So that you will be able to generate your ideas. And you know that how you can add different variety of structure. How many structures you have learned till now? Yes. How many structures we did for paraphrasing?
Paraphrasing. Ma'am, vocab.
Vocab
Synonym?
amendment, yes.
Collocations.
First, we did the synonym replacement. Yes, that is the vocabulary part to do the paraphrasing. Apart from it,
Collocation.
sorry,
Collocations.
collocation is not paraphrasing. Collocation is not paraphrasing. Remember this. Collocations are the words that are grouped together. So collocation is, yes, exactly. Changing the sentence to the passive voice. That is one way to do the paraphrasing. First is when you just add synonyms. Second is when you do passive conversion. We did the formal passive structure. It is believed that. And the second clause will remain the same. After active passive, what we did?
Simple complex
Yes,
sentence.
we did the simple to
Simple to
complex.
complex sentences.
Because we are not writing 2 simple sentences, we are just making it a complex with the connector. 2 ideas, they are connected with a connector. After this, what we did? After simple
Conditional.
and complex,
Types of conditions.
that is what we have done today. Statements to the conditions. Now we are not writing a simple idea, we are actually converting it to the condition. So in the next session, on the Monday, we will be doing changing the word orders. And then the verb to noun conversion. Develop ka development. Kaise hoga? Okay, so we will work on this. Any doubt, any query, please let me know. And I want a feedback from you all. Did you find statement and conditionals useful?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Please try to write, because these all things will come with practice. You have to write the statements. So keep on trying the different statement, the different ideas. Okay? Yes.
जो आपने होमवर्क दिया उसको फ्री के कंडीशन में लेकर देखना 0 फर्स्ट सेकंड.
Yes, you can try anyway. That's up to you. You need to add an idea. बस टॉपिक्स बताएं, उन टॉपिक से लेके आप कोई भी स्टेटमेंट लिख सकते हो. Yes, आकाश.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, what about ma'am third conditional, ma'am, like used for unreal situation in the past, ma'am?
Yes, Akash?
Ma'am, third conditional, ma'am. Is it also, ma'am?
No.
Use
You have to use it till second. Yes. 0 first, second. That's it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay? Yes.
मैम टोटल वैसे कितने कंडीशनल होते हैं?
These are 3, as I mentioned: 0, first, and second. 0 is used for general facts. First is used for future possibility, and second is used for hypothetical, imaginary situation. Okay? Clear? Okay, new students, I want to tell you one thing that you can please practice from the application. Writing task 2 के बहुत सारे topics, I guess 100 essays हैं in each section. आप कोई भी statement उठाओ, work on the synonym upgradement, work on the active passive कि हम इसे कैसे convert करेंगे, and now work on the simple complex and statement to conditionals also. You know these 4 ways to do the paraphrasing, तो please practice करना start करो. इससे आपकी idea generation भी होती है. Because you need to think what I can add as a second idea. Extend your ideas. एक idea लिखा, try to expand it more. Write one more statement to it. Statement लिख के बाद check करो, can I do the passive structure? Can I apply my complex sentence? या मैं इसमें vocab upgrade करूँ? So start interchanging. ठीक है, प्ले विद द स्टेटमेंट्स, जैसे आप चाहे वैसे उसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो, बिकॉज यू नो 4 ways to do the paraphrasing now. Apart from practicing from the application, please always click on the remind me button. Classes 15 days की already schedule हो जाती हैं आपकी एप्लीकेशन पे, तो सब पे आप रिमाइंड मी का बटन क्लिक करके रखा करो. जब भी आपकी क्लास स्टार्ट होगी 9 o'clock, you will get a notification and you can join your class. Second thing, अगर किसी का भी एग्जाम नियर बाय है, लाइक देयर वाज अ स्टूडेंट, आई जस्ट मिस्ड हर नेम, आकृति. यस आकृति, यू कैन इवन ट्राई द बेबी वीजा सर्विसेज. अगर अभी तक आपने नहीं करा है कहीं पे भी, तो आप वीजा सर्विसेज के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो. यू कैन ड्रॉप योर क्वेरी, दे विल हेल्प यू आउट विद द लिस्ट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. You can even share it with your friends, your family, whoever want to join oils and the free classes as well. Okay? Yes, please. किसी को कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज लेट मी नो, बिकॉज वी विल बी मीटिंग
ये
नाउ
मेरी
ऑन मंडे. यस विकी.
ये मैम ये मेरी सेकंड क्लास है, तो मुझे जानना था कि जो पुरानी क्लासेस हैं, जो रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस हैं, वही यूज करने हैं उसके लिए, या फिर कैसे, मतलब कितना टाइम हो गया, आपकी क्लासेस क्या चलती रहती हैं?
विकी,
मुझे एक्चुअली स्केड्यूल नहीं पता है.
यस विकी, लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग. अभी जो ये कोर्स चल रहा है, ये कोर्स 16th April से स्टार्ट हुआ था, और इसमें
Okay.
स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया है. आई गेस 18 to 19 क्लासेस स्पीकिंग की है, जो आपको एप्लीकेशन में मिल जाएंगी. यूट्यूब
ठीक
पे
ठीक.
भी अगर आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाके सर्च करोगे, बैच कोर्स 3 है ये. बैच
Okay.
कोर्स 2 जो लास्ट जनवरी में स्टार्ट हुआ था, वो भी पूरा कोर्स वहां पे अवेलेबल है, और जो करंट कोर्स चल रहा है वो बैच नंबर 3 है, तो आप वो देख सकते हो. सेकेंड थिंग, राइटिंग की कुछ क्लासेस हो चुकी हैं जो आपकी मिस हुई हैं. प्लीज उन्हें कभी भी वीकेंड में व्हेन यू हैव टाइम, आप उन्हें वॉच करो एक बार. जस्ट ट्राई टू
Okay.
learn from those classes. Okay?
Okay.
And
Okay.
stay with us Monday to Friday. There is a class every day, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
No worries. Yes. Any other would like to ask something? No?
Thank you so much for the class, for the
No
today's class.
worries.
It's very helpful.
Thank you all. Then see you all on Monday. Bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy
Thanks a
weekend,
lot.
and
Thanks
please
a lot.
practice.
Okay. You
Okay?
too.
Yeah,
So
sure,
tomorrow
ma'am.
there will be no class?
Hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
tomorrow there is no class.
Okay, and take care, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay.